Welcome back to the Fuji Guys channel. My name is Francis. So did you order yourself a brand new GFX50S II and you're curious to see what comes in the box? Well, if so, keep on watching. All right, so let's open up this box. So first things first, we can see that we have two QR codes. So one is for the user manual and the other one is for the Fujifilm camera remote app. So simply use your phone and then you can scan the QR codes and then download the manual or the Fujifilm camera remote app if you don't already have it. So first we have some paperwork, some documentation. So depending on where you are located in the world, the content of this bag with paperwork might vary, but you'll most likely find some warranty information and things like that. So let's put it to the side. Now let's get into the box for real. So first, we do have a nice padded Fujifilm camera strap. So let's open it up and have a look at it. So nice Fujifilm logo here, and then nicely padded strap. So let's put it to the side. Next, we have our cable lock. So this will be very handy if you are shooting tethered to a computer. That will allow for secure connection. So this will screw on to the camera body and then you can plug in your cable and then hook it up to this hook right here. So very nice thing that's included within the box. Next, we have some various adapters for the charging block. So let's see if I have them all. All right, so let's take them out. So here we have all the different adapters. So wherever you're going to travel in the world, you'll be able to charge your camera. So in my case, I'm in North America, so I'll be using this one. So I'll set these aside. And then if I take my charging block here, so this is a USB-C connection here. So this is a 5 volt, 3 amp, 15 watt charging block. So I can just take this end here and then line it up this way and then just clip it in and I'm ready to use it. So next I'm going to use the included USB-C to USB-C cable. So I'm going to plug one end on this charging block, plug this to the wall, and then plug this end onto the camera itself. So let's set these aside. And then lastly, in this part of the box, we do have our NPW235 battery for the GFX50S II. And then lastly, we get to the most interesting part, the camera itself. So let's just take it out and then move this box away. And then we have our Fujifilm GFX50S II. So just let me lay down the content of the box for you to see. So that's the content of the box, but before I go, I just want to show you a couple things. So here is where you will put your NPW235 battery, just here. And then I showed you the cable clip. So I'm just gonna show you how to attach it. So you just lift up this door here and then you can see you have a hole in this corner. So you simply line it up and just make sure it's lined up and then you can simply screw it in. And then you have your cable hook attached to the camera. And then if you were to connect a cable, it will help you secure the connection. So you can simply hook it up like that. And then if there's any wiggle, it won't affect the connection here. So that wraps it up for this unboxing of the brand new FUJIFILM GFX50S II. Now, I hope this was useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. And if you'd like to know more about this and other Fujifilm products, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, c'était Francis pour les Fuji Guys.